Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is very special because I have got the meme coin, which is highly super underrated coin, which is in very extremely low cap category meme coins. It is a category of low cap meme coins which has not still pumped yet, and it is available at the bottom price. It launched at it launched at 28 March 2024, just before the April. 28 March it launched on that day, and it has listed on major exchanges. Let me show you the exchanges. It is available on Radium, Maxi, all DeFi. More exchanges are going to be listed soon. And if I talk about these tokens, what is that? Its name is Shroomates. You can buy on MXC, any other. It is a Solana blockchain meme category coins. If you know that Solana meme chain, see, Solana blockchain meme coins are exploding in a different way. They are like going crazy, man. So you should focus on this coin. And if I talk about this coin, it has near almost 50k holders, which is a very great. I mean, it's amazing for a token which has just launched. And if I tell you something more special, then look at these Twitter. It has 35k on Twitter. Its name is Trippy Labs. They are they are actively posting every single post. They are doing something. It is a very good project. You should see this. You should do research about this. And let me show you one more big thing about this. The big thing is it has its own Instagram account where they have over 1.3 million. Do you imagine? 1.3 million followers they have. They have organic reach, already built Instagram account. If they post and promote these meme coins on their official Instagram channels, see that. See this room. If they just start marketing about these meme coins on their posts, so what do you think? 100k, 200k, 300k for holders are not a big deal for this one, and marketing is fully organic for this coin. No paid advertisement, they have to do so much to make it push it to the 100 million category coins very soon. It is now 5 million market cap. It will go 100 million market cap, which means if you just put $100, you will get what, $2000 ROI, return on investment. And if it hits 1 billion, then $100 would be your worth of $20,000, 200x. And it have big potential to go $1 billion market cap. So guys, please pay attention and buy this token if you have not bought it still yet. It has so much potential that it can go 1 billion straight to these Bitcoin halving days, because new coins are pumping like heavily massive. So you should focus on this coin. See this, everyone, each and every holders are bullies. It is an organic project. It won't go away. They are doing something every day. This project won't go anywhere. It is not such a scam or rug pull token. They have something big idea about this project. You should go on it. It is almost risk free token, but still I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. So lastly, if you want to buy this at current price, and if it if it will go down a little bit, try to accumulate more. If it does go down, try to accumulate more. You will get the same token at cheaper price and more tokens. And when it will pump to 10x 20x, you will get much more money. Don't be the exit liquidity, and don't be a part of FOMO buying. See this, $1 is coming on the way. Buy at this price 0.0064. If you have not taken entry on these coins, it will soon go to $1. My price prediction for this Bitcoin halving, after the Bitcoin halving, it will go straight to $1. So don't do FOMO buying, just buy it right now. It is a very golden diamond gem opportunity. It is a hidden gem which people are not talking right now because they don't want you to make money, and I want you to make money. And if you want to make money, then I have something special for you. I have a personal Telegram premium VIP group. It is a new group, and for the first 10 members, the Telegram joining cost is very cheap. It is $20 for first 10 members. Only first 10 members will be joined at this price. And if you had ever bad experiences from other coins, you can recover your all losses. For the loss recovery, you can join my Telegram group. I will guide you how to buy, when to buy, where to buy, when to sell, sell, how much to make your portfolio, everything about the coins which are you seeing in the market, which are going pumped. I will tell you the hidden gems which have the potential of 50x, 100x, which are not even meme coin categories. That hidden gems I have, the strong fundamentals which are highly underrated. I'll tell you that category of coins. I have that hidden gems which are at the bottom price and are about to go 10x, 20x, 50x, 100x in this bull market. It's not a big deal. So if you don't want to miss the golden opportunity, I'll give my Telegram joining link in the description. DM me, I'll add you to my group. So all the best to you all guys. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Share this video to all of your friends and groups so that they can also know something about this. Till then, see you in next video.